Data lifecycle management. Data lifecycle management refers to the process of organizing, storing, protecting, and eventually disposing of data throughout its entire lifespan. It encompasses various stages, from data creation to archival or deletion, and involves a combination of policies, procedures, and technologies to effectively manage data assets. Let's delve into the details of each phase in data lifecycle management. Data creation. The data lifecycle begins with data creation, which can occur through various sources, such as user input, automated systems, sensors, or external data feeds. During this phase, it is crucial to capture relevant metadata, including timestamps, data sources, and any associated contextual information. Data storage. After data is created, it needs to be stored in a secure and accessible manner. This involves determining the appropriate storage infrastructure, whether it's on-premises servers, cloud-based storage, or a combination of both. Factors such as data volume, performance requirements, data sensitivity, the cost considerations, all play a role in determining the storage strategy. Data organization. To ensure data is easily retrievable and usable, it needs to be organized effectively. This includes structuring data in a logical manner, applying appropriate naming conventions, and implementing data classification schemes. Data organization facilities. Data organization facilitates efficient search and retrieval, enabling users to find the information they need quickly. Data access and usage. During this phase, data is accessed, analyzed, and utilized for various purposes. At access controls and data governance policies are implemented to ensure that only authorized individuals or systems can access specific datasets. Data usage may involve data processing, analytics, reporting, and other activities that generate insights and value from the data. Data protection. Data security and protection are paramount throughout the data life cycle. This involves implementing measures to safeguard data from unauthorized access, data breaches, loss, or corruption. Security measures typically include encryption, access controls, regular backups, disaster recovery plans, and compliance with relevant data protection regulations. Data retention and archiving. Data retention policies define how long data should be retained based on legal, regulatory, or business requirements. Some data may need to be retained for a specific period, while other data may need to be archived for long-term storage or historical references. Archiving involves moving data to a lower cost storage tiers or separate archival systems while ensuring data integrity and accessibility. Data deletion and disposal. Once data is no longer needed or reaches the end of its defined life cycle, it must be safely deleted or disposed of. Secure data erasure techniques are employed to ensure that data is permanently removed from storage media to prevent unauthorized recovery. Proper disposal procedures must be followed to comply with data privacy regulations and prevent any potential data leaks. Data governance and compliance. Throughout the entire data life cycle, data governance practices are crucial. Data governance encompasses the policies, processes, and controls that ensure consistent and proper handling of data across the organization. Compliance with relevant legal and regulatory requirements, such as data protection laws, industry standards, and internal policies, is an integral part of effective data life cycle management. Data migration. In some cases, data may need to be migrated from one system of storage infrastructure to another. Data migration involves transferring data while ensuring its integrity, accuracy, and accessibility. Proper planning, testing, and validation are necessary to minimize the risk of data loss or corruption during the migration process. Data destruction. When data reaches the end of its life cycle and is no longer needed, it must be destroyed securely. Data destruction methods may include physical destruction of storage media, disposing, a secure data wiping technique that renders the data unrecoverable. Effective data lifecycle management helps organizations optimize data utilization, reduce storage costs, enhance data security, and ensure compliance with relevant regulations. By implementing appropriate policies, procedures, and technologies, organizations can effectively manage their data assets throughout their entire lifespan.